Welcome to Kramer Mazda. Our lot's not empty because we don't have inventory. This is the treatment you get at Kramer Mazda. Follow me. At Kramer Mazda, once you've purchased a vehicle, and if it's about to hail, we bring all vehicles inside. We bring in small cars, big cars, off-mates, everything. Come check it out. When it's about to hail, anything that's sold or anything that's nice comes inside for your safety and so that you can enjoy your vehicle without any hail damage. Thanks for choosing Kramer Mazda.